Okay, here we are in the third video of our DIY design build series. We are pumped because this is where we're gonna have you take monumental action right now, because we want you to have the backyard living space of your dreams. I keep saying this, but I truly want it for you. Now, if you haven't already done this, I wanna reiterate the need for that design in 2D. So if you haven't done that action step, please take that. It could be on graph paper, it could just be on normal paper, but we want to see your house. So just the box of your house with where the windows of your lower level are, the level that goes out to the yard, and then the doors of your space. Please put that down and then put those items that you want from your list. And if you haven't seen this already, go back to my previous 2 videos about how to set these up, because we tell you all about how to get your proper layout and proper items that you are going to have in your space in the previous video. If you haven't done your 2D design on graph paper, it's okay, because we're going to help you, walk you through how to do this face to face in our membership site. It's called the Journey to a Backyard Living Space Membership Experience. So this is an amazing experience that I'm offering to you. It's taken me a lot of time to build this membership experience that you're gonna have. So this membership experience, it delves so deep into what I've already taught you. The vision. We're gonna have you go through a whole course on the vision of how to properly plan out your new backyard living space. We go into the design and we dive deep in how to properly design your personal backyard living space. And by the way, when you get to the end of this, you will have that graph paper with a crystal clear design of what you will be designing in your space. I told you, for those of you that aren't quite sure of what you've designed, you will be able to share it with our community, to share it with my team, to share it with me, and we will be able to give you the check of approval that yes, you've done an amazing job with your backyard space. That's what you're getting with this membership experience. It's face-to-face community contact with me, with all of the people on our membership around the world. So you will have all of us as a mastermind, so to speak, making sure that we hold your hand, hold you accountable, but also get you the right backyard living space for you and your family. Now, it doesn't just stop there, because after you do the design and get the little mark of approval, so to speak, then we're gonna walk you through how to build your space. You might be DIYing it yourself. We're gonna give you all the steps on how to do that correctly, or how to hire a contractor correctly. That's all in our build module that you will have at your disposal in our membership experience. And after that, we're gonna teach you the proper way to decorate your backyard. This is so important, because this is where your backyard living space is breathing life. It's where you're inviting people in and having them live in this space with the decorations. So we're gonna walk you through all of this. We have a stager on staff that has been doing this for 10 to 15 years at my own company. We're gonna have that expertise for you. And of course is the celebration. That's the last module, because your true backyard living space isn't complete until your first celebration. But these are the modules that you're gonna go through with our membership experience. But one of my favorite benefits is the live monthly Q&A, at least monthly. We might have it more frequently depending on the demand. But if you have questions, post them in the community comments. A lot of people are gonna be putting photos or video in the comment chat, and then we're gonna be able to walk you through exactly how to answer your backyard question. So that's gonna be an amazing feature that we're offering that's part of the membership. This is only for a limited time. I think it's only gonna be for 1 week that you have the opportunity to get into our membership site during this period. Right, I wanna say that again. This membership experience expires in 1 week. You only have 1 week to act, and it's gone. This will be gone after this. I want to give my attention to the members that come into our community and walk them through the design and the build of their backyard. So we're only offering it for 1 week. Now, in the first video, I talked about acting. I talked about this is the year for you to create the backyard design and then the backyard of your dreams, the actual installation. I want you to take action right now. This is where you take ownership of making that decision. Please, let's do this. You've probably been following me on YouTube for a while. You probably realize how expensive the design or all of this can be, getting the design figured out. I'm basically giving it to you through our membership experience. You're gonna have that face-to-face contact with me and with my team, with the community around the world who will be able to give you so much advice and so much knowledge. Think about all of our community members that are there. They have different experience levels. Obviously, I have different experience levels, and we're gonna all together create the backyard living space of your dreams. We are here for you, and I'm excited to be here with you. I want to let you hear this too. A typical design of a backyard space is several thousands of dollars. You would probably be looking at $2,000 to $5,000 for a good backyard living space design, or even meeting with somebody like myself, an expert. You're going to be spending probably $500 approximately for an hour of an expert's advice. Look at the value of what you're getting with the membership experience. You are getting a design. You're saving thousands of dollars on the design. You're getting expert advice. Think of the money you're saving with that expert advice. And you're getting the know-how, that knowledge of how to do things correctly, which is going to save you thousands of dollars by not making mistakes. This truly is a no-brainer. We would love to have you as part of our membership experience. So this membership experience will be gone in 1 week. So act now. Please click the link below and take a look at our membership experience. I can't wait to personally meet you within our community. They have little live rooms that I could either pop in and say hi, or we have formal scheduled rooms that you can sign up for, where it could be a question and answer. It could be one of our modules that we have. You sign up for, you put it in your calendar, you join our Zoom call at that time, and we are on a call where I can't wait to say hi and help you with whatever you're going through. All right, we'll see you within the community. Click the link below if you haven't already done so. Talk to you later.